Good morning. Hello. How you doing? Life is like the stock market. Sometimes it is up and sometimes it is down. Keep it going. That's right. Well put. Love wetlands. Made it sound like I was writing a letter with your name being like that. Je suis. Hello. Bonjour. Alright, good morning. Welcome back to, I don't even know. How long have we been on this eval? Couple weeks at least. Taking it slow and steady, doing good for the most part, following rules, keeping in mind that 10 points a day is $1,000 a week. And that's pretty good. Less is more, size up later. That's what I'm thinking. Makes sense to me. No news today. That's good. Also need to remember that, well, I just need to pay attention to ATR. Because if it's down a little bit, sometimes it makes more sense to go to a 30-second chart, but either way, can't be moving the stop loss too much when it's slower because it needs a little bit to work. Whereas in higher volatility, a lot of times that move that you're going for is either going to happen right then or not at all. At this point in my trading, all I have to do to be consistently profitable is to follow my rules. That's it. Got the edge. I've been following my rules for the most part, and it's been going good for a sustained amount of time. Of course, I'm not going to call myself consistently profitable for a long time. Certainly not going to once I pass an eval. Passing an eval is more like the first step. Can you maintain that funded account for a few months? That's a better indication. In order to do that, I need to stop at my max daily loss, which is anything that starts with -3. Minus 300 to 350 or so. It's avoidable because it means I wasn't reading price action correctly, which is something in my control. Every once in a while, you can hit a max daily loss while doing everything perfectly. It just didn't happen to work that day. But it doesn't really seem that way to me. Well, specifically for me. When I hit that max daily loss, it's typically really dumb trades that aren't following my rules. So, avoidable, but okay if it happens, as long as we follow the rules. Good luck, Perry. I'll see you soon. Am I on a 30-second chart because of ATR? No, ATR doesn't. It's kind of tricky to answer that. I like a 20-second chart. Oh man, Thank you for saying that because I didn't realize I was on a 30-second chart. Thank you, Sam. Appreciate it. That looks better. I'll go to a 30-second chart sometimes when volatility is down. It's a way of artificially increasing volatility. It's all mental. But, you know, I've always despised when people say something like, it's all in your head. Of course it's in my head. That's how we exist. Everything's in our head. What were we talking about? Huh. Well, it's 9:34, so time to get started, but nope. My trading results tell me that the action like this is almost guaranteed max daily loss every time. So I'm waiting. That's kind of nuts. High of day is at 29. Just keeping that in mind. Tempting to short here, but not smart. Not smart when it just keeps going up. Would have worked, but that's okay. The goblin is telling me to buy and target 32. And that will probably work. But I'm not gonna do it. Have I tried scalping breakouts? Yeah, actually, the first summer of trading that I did was the opening range break on Tesla options. And by the end of it, I actually withdrew more money than what I put in. But it was just too stressful of a way to trade. And the bid-ask spread on options was horrible. So when I found to futures, I was like, see you later. Missed a perfect trade because he had a limit order, not market. Oh, man. Yeah, I never enter with limits. It's not worth it. It might save you like one tick every time, but if it doesn't work just once, and it's like a 10-point trade, that sort of ruins the whole point of saving just a little bit. All those little saves get wiped out. Snap, just like that. Hello, ASUP. Hello, the Debs HD. Thank you. Welcome. I'm currently waiting for it to stop just going in the exact same direction, not because that's bad price action, but because it's bad price action for me. Tracking my stats tells me that I do very bad. And that's okay. Because once again, all I need to do to be consistently profitable is to eliminate trading in action I'm not good at. Oh, here we go. Maybe. Or maybe it's just going to go whoop, right back up. Oh, let me just call every possible move and then I'll look like a genius when one of those things inevitably happens. Guess what, guys? I think it's going to break the high of day. Nope, not going to tell you when. But if it ever does it, I look so smart. Hey, Snugs. How you doing? 148 points on 3 MNQ divided by 3. Amazing. Okay, let's look to take a trade here. Ah, that's too bad. Had the mouse on the sell button, but I thought it would go up just a little bit more, so I didn't enter. I was at about 16. And I would have targeted this little break here. Although that's probably dumb because I'm trying to eliminate that. No worries. Being right isn't enough. You gotta be right at the right moment. Oh my god. I was thinking of going long right here. But that wouldn't be a good trade because it's just kept going down. It would have just been trying to time the reversal, so glad I didn't take that because that reinforces bad habits. Ooh. A bit hesitant today. I didn't sleep too well. I have been secretly working on the biggest video and project I've ever pursued for the past 3 months. And I am losing my mind. Over the past 3 days, I've worked on it for at least 25 hours. And it's killing me. I've been working like a machine with 100% of the motivation coming from the thought of not having to think about it anymore. I'm literally waking up thinking about it in the middle of the night. But it's a secret. I think I can finish it today and hopefully upload it by tomorrow. It's gonna shake some things up. Someone's getting taken down. And that's all I'll say. I've actually thrown in hints over the past couple of weeks on this channel. Alright, quit yapping. What is this? Okay, I'm paying attention to the chart now. Focus. This is really good price action, and I haven't taken a single trade. Stop it. Mouse on the sell button. Doesn't look so good anymore. Okay. That fill was pretty late. Okay, that's unlucky and lucky. There's like a half-second delay, which would have had my order filled a couple points down. I gotta sneeze. Uh-oh. Bless you. Thanks, you too. Who was that? Short. Down to 79. Got it. Why didn't I take the trade? Alright. Oh. I don't even know how much sleep I got. I'm just gonna end it there. It's unfortunate, but last night I was planning on not even trading today. I got up like an hour earlier than usual because I couldn't sleep. And that was after waking up 3 times throughout the night. But, you know, I felt focused, so I went ahead and streamed anyways. But clearly, that focus was short-lived. Still not breaking high of day, your prediction was wrong? No, that's the beautiful thing about predicting the high of day break, is that as long as it happens sometime within the next 1,000 years, I will be correct. And that's how trading works. You just have to call levels and point out objectively true things, and that makes you really good at trading. Yeah, at some point I'll be right. Oh, okay. Well, if it doesn't break the high of day, I think it's going to break the low of day. How about that one, huh? Look, at the end of the day, the market's either going to range or trend. Okay, we're either going up, down, or sideways. And those are just a few of the secrets I've learned over my 30 years of trading, okay? Seven years before I was born, I started trading. 19 points for you, Potatoes. That is fantastic. Very nice. 27 for you, Holden. Amazing. Everybody in the chat, go click on Holden's channel. He's been uploading his trades. Short and sweet, to the point. Digestible. How I prefer to watch stuff. Click his channel, Holden's Trading Journal. Show him some love. All right, that's how I did. It's kind of I guess it's not disappointing. All right, let me just restart that. I'm gonna do the outro for the video. Hi. Oh, I'm losing my mind. I am going to call it a day there. Can watch the stream if you'd like to see more. Who's Seymour? Can one of you do the outro? Alright, I'm just gonna end it there. I should have taken a lot of trades, or at least a lot more, but I'm just very tired, and well, if you want to hear more stuff, then you can watch the stream if you'd like to. Man, I have just absolutely no clue what I'm trying to say right now. That's pretty much all there was to it. I mean, oh my god. That's pretty much all there is to it. I didn't sleep very well. Wasn't planning on stream. Oh my god. The mic better have picked up that. Oh. Did you hear the big crack? It's my hip. That's my hip. You did hear it? Good. I felt that in my brain. I'm not even kidding. The amount of energy that is released when my hip, I don't even know what's going on. Dislocates, shifts over, whatever it is. The amount of force in that shakes my vision. Just for a split second. There's so much vibration from that. That's because I was blessed with joint hypermobility and extremely weak connective tissue. It's sort of like a superpower if superpowers sucked. Oh yeah, check out Perry's channel too. Perry Planation. Right? You've been uploading consistently, I think. I think that's what I saw. I love to see it. Ow. I recommend all of you record your trades. I mean, it is, I think, the single most valuable, underutilized tool in trading. At least for me, it doesn't mean anything to just look at a chart and see the trade plot executions. But, you know, if you take 5 trades and then you condense all that down into a 3-minute video for yourself, and then you get a few weeks of that, you will not believe the amount of things that you will pick up on. Bad habits, high probability losses, identifying the price action that you're bad at and what you're good at. Hey, wait, hold on. Remember when I said it was going to break the high of day? God, I'm just so good at trading. It hasn't yet, but it will. Hey, maybe you'll get us all to be the only legit traders on the platform, really changing the trading industry like the Trading Geek. Yeah, honestly, big shout out to him. He's just doing so much to change the industry. He's a big inspiration. All my inspiration comes from him. It was so funny when he said that. Getting caught stealing all of your videos word for word from other people, from other popular videos, and then saying you're changing the industry. I mean, that's crazy. That's such a disconnect from reality. You couldn't be further away from changing the industry. Yeah, but yeah, you guys are smart. I don't need to explain it to you. Okay. Uh, I'm just gonna put in text the outro, I guess, because I have no idea what I'm trying to say. Oh, I'll do a little plug. Nah, I won't. Maybe I will. If you Oh, that bell went off, scared me. If you want to do your own evaluation like me, I recommend Trade Day. I think they're the best, they're the most transparent, and they are the cheapest route to funding. If you pass in the first month, no activation fee. You know, all those sales and stuff that other prop firms do. Oh, there's still a $150 activation fee, making it more expensive than pretty much any other firm. But choose a firm that's right for you. I like the drawdown type on Trade Day. But if you don't really care about that, then Apex is certainly cheaper. But, you know, no withdrawal rules with Trade Day and all that other stuff. And if you use my code for 20% off, I'm in Trading 20. I'd really appreciate that. Helps me at no extra cost to you. Thank you. What software do I use to record the computer screen? OBS. It's free, easy to use. Very nice. Having the same tags on his vid was the funniest thing for me. Yeah, it's so funny. Not even removing the original channel's own YouTube channel name from the tags. So funny. Okay, I'll end it there. Thank you guys very much for joining the stream and listening to me slowly decay into a state of, I don't know, brain's not working, can't finish sentences. I'll let you fill in the sentence. Thank you, Jared. All right. Bye-bye. Take care, everybody. Thank you, potatoes. Bye-bye, sensei. Sion sion. Okay. Insert name. Haven't seen that one before. How you doing?